How to do a simple color grade in Premiere Pro. Firstly, create an adjustment layer in the project tab. This will allow you to color grade solely on one layer and you won't have to copy the settings to every clip in your timeline. With the adjustment layer selected, click Workspaces and open the color tab. For this video, I will only be using settings from the Basic Correction and Curves tabs, as in my opinion, these are the most important for a rough, simple color grade. In the Curves tab, we're going to create what's called an S-curve, so add 3 segments along the grid. These will allow you to adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights. For my scene, I'm just going to lower the shadows and up the midtones slightly, but of course this depends on your footage and what you're going for. Now, in the Basic Corrections tab, we're going to up the contrast. This alone helps give your footage depth and not look so grayed out, but as a result, darkens the image. So then you gotta up the highlights. The rest of these settings are very similar, so play around with the shadows, whites and blacks until it looks how you want it to. Now I've got the brightness sorted, I'm going to turn down the saturation and change the temperature so it looks less warm. And that's it.